Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to install SimHERA on Mac Catalina. Once you've received the download link from Dr. Herdman, go ahead and open that up in a browser, which you see right here. For the Mac users, make sure it's the zip file. Go ahead and click on the download icon right here, and that will automatically download the SimHERA installer. As you can see, it's downloading right here. Go ahead and click on this little button here and go Show in Finder, and that will go to your download folder, and it is a .zip file. Double click on that and it will unpack and unzip that, and you'll see the SimHERA installer for Mac. Go ahead and double click on that to start the process. A little pop-up will come up and it'll ask whether or not you would like to open this. Are you sure you want to open this? Go ahead and click OK. Java wants to make changes. I'm just going to drag this off the screen so you don't see my password. And then what you'll have is the SimHERA installer come up. Go ahead and read the information there and click Next. For Mac users, you must install the SimHERA in this directory, so please do not change this directory. It should be applications UBC SimHERA 2020_v1. Okay. Go ahead and click Next. And the same thing is for the runtime libraries. Please keep it in that folder. Go ahead and click on Next. Now, would you like to confirm installation of SimHERA and the MATLAB runtime libraries? Go ahead and click Install. And now I've already installed the MATLAB runtime libraries, and that's what this is saying. Installation completed successfully, and it was very, very quick. If you have a fast download connection, it might be quick, but not as quick as what you just saw, because I've already downloaded the runtime libraries. But once it's completed, I'll come to this screen, you say Finish, and now you've completed the first steps in installing the SimHERA software. What you now need to do is to go to that SimHERA directory, and that was under Applications, UBC, SimHERA 2020_v1, and then Application, and there you go, you see the SimHERA application. Now, what we want to do here is run it for the very first time, but we don't have the license file yet. What we need to do is we need to get the unique codes for SimHERA to run on your computer. And just wait a moment and a screen will pop up. So here's the pop-up for the SimHERA license file not found. Don't close out of this just yet. What you need to do is send these numbers down here at the bottom. They're the SimHERA unique codes that are unique to your computer. You need to send that to me, Dr. Herdman, and then I will generate a license file based on those numbers and send that back to you. Okay. Once you've received an email from me, you're going to get a license file. Now, I've already put that on my desktop here. The SimHERA license file has to have the exact name SimHERA license file _internet.lic. Sometimes if you download the license file multiple times, some email programs will put a suffix here of _1, _2 just before the .lic. Make sure that the parentheses is not there. Make sure the file name for this license file is exactly as you see it here. Okay? Once you've done that, you can go and put that license file in the applications directory under the SimHERA directory under the UBC. Okay? So once that has happened, you can then go ahead and double click on the SimHERA application to run the SimHERA application. Okay, and the password box has come up. Enter in the password that you also would have received from Dr. Herdman in that email. So there we have it. SimHERA is starting up, and this process could take about a minute or so. So there we have it. We've successfully installed SimHERA on Mac Catalina. what you can do now is go ahead and play around and also check out the tutorials on how to use SimHERA and the different features that it contains. Thank you for watching.